Hello guys, how to make a living from dividend income. This is something that a lot of people, it means especially investors who are staying with companies a long time, they don't grasp one simple thing that I always talk about in some videos here, is that this idea is that if you are going to live from your income from dividend, which is a nice idea, the main thing is in all your life you should make your account bigger and bigger and bigger. You should invest more. This is how you can live from your account. Now, a lot of people they don't want to have this habit of investing, because in investing it's not just you have 5,000 or 10,000 or $20,000 or 50,000 and you just put them in the stocks and this is investing. No, this is not investing. Investing is a continuous process of saving money and buy stocks. This is investing. Okay, either you buy few stocks or you buy a lot of stocks. This has a relation with the market and risk. But what I am telling you is that you should just calculate this, and this is very, very simple to calculate. Let's say if you want, for example, some stocks that give 5%, just an example, okay? I'm not going to give you examples for the 10%, 20%, because some companies, they try to give more from the stock, and the problem is that some companies, they have problems. That's why they give more from the stock, and if the stock is going down, you lose a lot of money, and this will not be a good idea. So the idea is to calculate by yourself how much you need. Okay, let's say if you have, for example, $10,000 at the age of 60, so let's say you get 5%. How much you get a year? You calculate it, it's just only $500. So are you going to have an investment to get $500 a year? Is this your goal in life? $500 a year, it's not really an income that you can live from. So in order to have a clear idea, this is what I am here. I'm just showing you the idea clearly. If you have, for example, the whole life, I'm saying the whole life, you are 18, 20, 25, you begin to do an account and you make it bigger and bigger and bigger with investing each time you have some money. You do it as a habit. It means each paycheck, it's a salary, you should take money and put it into your investment. This is for a very, very long time. And then if you reach, for example, $500 or $1 million, okay, by investing the whole life, this is, and you get, for example, let's say you have $1 million and you have 5%, this is $50,000. Now, $50,000, if you are old, like 60 or 65 or something, it can help you, okay? And you can live with it. And it is a good income, and even the tax is very good, which is the cheapest tax, because dividend have the cheapest tax right now, okay? But if you are just having little account and you are forcing this account to give you the highest dividend thing, this will never happen, okay? This will never happen. That's why some people, they try to do, if they have small account, they do trading or they do something at least you will have higher income than the account for dividend. Another thing is that because you are investing the whole life, and the market, it can go down, go up, so you will get in times when the market is going down, like 2008 for example, the whole year is going down and you are buying. And this is the good thing. Good investors, they look for these years that are bad years in the market, and they buy more and more and more and more, because whenever the market is going up, even after 5 years or 10 years, even if it's going up after, they have bought with the smallest price in all the stocks. Because most of the time, when there is a big hit to the market, everything will collapse. Most of the stocks they go down, okay? Most of them. They can resist because all the people will short the stocks and everything will collapse. So this is why I told you that investing is a habit. It means you should save each paycheck or each salary, or if you have a business, each month or each 6 months or 5 months, you make a plan and you continue it the whole life. If you don't know, you can go to a bank or something, and they can help you with money management if you have a lot of money. Okay, if you have a lot of money. Or you can just study by yourself and have thing, because what the people in the bank is just, they show you the risk, but understand they will take fees, and this is not normally good for money management. Okay, you should do it by yourself. You should learn, you should study, and that is the good thing. Okay, so as I told you, if you are planning, you are young for example, even if you are not young, you are 30 or 40 or 50, you can start, because the main thing in order to succeed is you have a plan. You plan the thing, and don't expect anything from the market. Don't say the market will go each year 10% or 5%, 20%. Just calculate the thing that you have. Okay, you have now $10,000. After a few years, you can have 40,000, 50,000, 100,000, 200,000. So you are accumulating wealth, and with dividend stocks, you can have an income. And this income, you can see it and you understand how it works, because companies, most of the time, they give, each year they announce how much is the dividend yield. It means each year 5% or 7% or 1% or 3%, they announce it. If for example, if a company stops giving dividend because it has difficulties or something, you can just sell the company shares and buy another one that gives dividend, because you are after dividend. You are not after growth stocks. Okay, which is another thing. Growth stocks is you should put more risk, because you are just relying on the price appreciation. It means if the stock is going up, they don't give dividend. Okay, and the good thing about the dividend is generally two things. First is that tax is the cheapest tax in USA. When you have an income from dividend, it's the cheapest. I think it's only 16%. So it is the cheapest. You can ask your accountant and you ask him about dividend. He can give you the information, because most of the time the information is online. You can ask even the IRS what is the tax on dividend. They give you the right percentage. Okay. Second thing that it is most important about dividend is that you don't have to sell shares. This is very good. For example, let's say you have 1,000 shares of a stock, whatever is this stock, and it gives you 5%. Now, when it gives you 5%, you don't have to sell shares in order to get the money, the income. The income coming you from the price of the stock that it is taken from, but it will never, you will never sell, because most of the investors don't sell their shares. This is what they want. They want to have more shares, not to sell shares, because they are thinking to make their account bigger and bigger and bigger. And there are millionaires and billionaires, all their life they live from stocks. Okay? And this is one facet of the stock market. Some people are living from the income appreciation. It means price appreciation, like day traders, like swing traders. This, if they have very, very bigger accounts, it means they are living from their trades. Now, some investors are living from dividend. Okay? But they should have a bigger account. If you have just 1,000, 5,000, because the thing is, sometimes I was searching just to see what the people are saying about dividend. Most of the people online, they don't give the whole truth. They say, okay, it's very good to invest, to have dividend, but they don't explain. Okay, they don't explain the calculations, because everything is with calculations. If you are in the stock market, you don't calculate, you are not an investor and you are not a trader, because everything has a price. Everything that moves in the market has a price, so it's very easy to trade or to invest. That's why we have price. But if the stock goes up or goes down, this you will never know. This is about the future. The only thing that you don't know is the future prices, and that's why we have risk. That's why in the stock market, you are always having a risk, either to make money or to lose money. That's always in investment, in trading, and whatsoever. Okay? So if you are in the future thinking about a portfolio to do and to begin investing, this is a good thing. You can check training level 16, which is about how to invest in dividend stocks. It gives you ideas, it gives you a lot of information, and if you have more questions, please, or you have more to share, please share it with us here in the comment section. Thank you very much and have a nice day.